Thank you guys and welcome back to my English comprehension lesson. Today I have brand new vocabulary words I have 20 definitions for you to pick the correct vocabulary word. But as always, before we get started, please like my page and hit that subscribe button down there for me. And as always, it would be greatly appreciated.
How many of these words do you know? For the following items, choose the word which most closely matches the definition. For example, definition: a place where people live. Horse, mouse, house, blouse. You will have 4 seconds to answer each question. Note, these are general definitions. Be aware of the context in which words are used. The correct answer to the sample question is house. Ready for the quiz? Let's begin. Number 1. The best or most favorable choice or result. Optimal. 2. Prevent or delay progress or achievement. Hinder. 3. Move around a central axis. Rotate. Revolve. Number 4. Get, gain, or accumulate. Acquire. 5. Cause something to become out of focus. Blur. 6. Cause something to move forward. Propel. 7. The chance or probability of something happening. Odds. 8. Move downward or to an inferior position. Lessen. Lower. 9. Completely destroy. Obliterate. Number 10. Smash, press, or squeeze harshly. Crush. 11. Delay or cause something to be delayed. Stall. 12. Cause to flow out or downward. Exhaust one's energy. Drain. 13. Strong desire to achieve success. Ambition. 14. One's way of thinking about life. Philosophy. Number 15. Something that blocks one's way or progress. Obstacle. 16. Unable to find a solution or way forward. Stuck. 17. Keep something in one's mind constantly. Obsess. 18. Start a fire, arouse intensity. Ignite. 19. Have difficulty when contending or making an effort. Struggle. 20. Cause someone to take action. Provide incentive. Motivate.
Thank you guys for visiting my YouTube channel. Practice what you learn. Don't forget to use your Google Translate if you're having some difficulties with some of the words. And also, guys, please make a comment on the video so I'll know if I'm doing things correctly to help you understand the English language better. Don't forget, guys, to like my page and hit that subscribe button. And I will see you doing the next English